Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to automatically comment on Facebook based on keywords using MKT Care software. This solution helps you save time and optimize engagement effectively. First, MKT Care allows you to manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. You can add multiple accounts, manage them easily, and perform automated tasks without worrying about limits. Next, to prepare your comment content, you should create a content category within the software. Step 1. Create comment content categories. Step 2. Add comment messages into those categories. This way, when the software runs automatic commenting, the content will be more diverse and natural. You can configure comment parameters such as delay time, comment content, and other settings to ensure natural behavior. After preparing the content, enter your keywords into the software. The system will automatically search for posts related to those keywords. Once everything is set up, the software will automatically find suitable posts based on the keywords and post comments using the predefined content. This helps you reach the right audience and significantly increase engagement. If you're interested in using MKT Care to optimize Facebook keyword-based commenting, feel free to contact me today. I'll provide detailed consultation and step-by-step guidance.